Hey y'all, welcome back to Redwood RV Adventures. I've got 10 eggs out here. They're pretty cold still, but I want them to warm up a bit, so I've got them sitting here by the stove. I've got a pot of water on. I'm gonna make some deviled eggs, but hopefully they'll be cute or not cute. Spooky. So we've got some water boiling. Gonna get these eggs going in a minute. I'm gonna get a couple things prepped and we'll throw them in when it's boiling. Alright y'all, we're boiling. We're gonna try to carefully put these in. I've been having a problem with them breaking lately, which is not fun. So I'm gonna try a spoon because I want to do something a little special with these. I'm gonna carefully drop each one in. We're gonna boil them for 15 minutes and take them out, put them in an ice or really cold water bath because we don't have ice. Then we'll peel them, most of them. I'm actually gonna do some breakfast prep for us and grab a few more. These are cold, so hopefully they don't bust. Oh, one already did. Dang it. We're gonna do, I believe, 14. Whatever breaks and is salvageable, I'll give to the girls. I will make some deviled eggs, leave some for hard-boiled eggs for breakfast, and you'll see what we do. See you in 15. All right, y'all, we're gonna take these eggs out, put them in the water. Looks like some busted open. This one did for sure. Got some cold water here. Alright y'all, we've got them in this bowl here. I'm gonna put the cold water on them and let them cool and chill for 5 minutes. Whoa, that looks appetizing. And I'll also put cold water in here so it can cool down. I can't dump it until it cools. Come on y'all, chill. I'll whip up some in one of these bowls. I might make egg salad for an easy lunch for these next couple days. I'll leave some hard boiled for breakfast. We just put salt and pepper on there and eat them. Yeah, we'll see. I got my eggs cooled. I cracked open a can of olive. Now listen, this is not my favorite kind of olive. I don't know what this is, but they're like brown. We're just working with what we got here, but I do prefer actual black olives. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Just gonna give these a little rinse so they're not so interesting. Now, a snack, high protein that my husband and I have been really loving is boiled eggs with black olives. Now, see, these are kind of brown, not black. See, this one just came out a mess. Mmm, delicious. Pickle's massive. We're gonna make a salad in that one. Now, I just did the dishes. I rewashed everything because, I'm gonna be honest, a mouse. They just cut the field next door and all the mice came out. So, how fun. Now we like a little texture to our salad here, so I'm gonna go through the effort of giving her a little chippity chop. Not a complete mash. That egg, as we know, was a mess. Give the middle a little crack. Beautiful. I'm gonna crack all these and we will be right back. It is windy as can be outside, y'all. Right now, I've got 7 eggs peeled. They look pretty good. Well, 8. One is a mess in here. We're gonna put them on my cutting board. Give them a little slice. Push on the center and a yolk will pop right out. Boom. Get the dog hairs off in the meantime. Slice, pinch so it doesn't come out or make a mess. Push on the back. Boom. This one's beautiful. Nice and thick. Perfect. Wow. Okay. That's half. Almost. So we'll put that over there. Cut this half. Push. Pops right out. Push. Pops right. That one ripped a little. Hopefully it'll be okay. Yeah, this will be perfect. Alright, y'all. We'll do these 6 in the back first, and we'll need a little mayo. I don't know if that's too much. A squirt of yellow mustard. A splash of dill pickle juice. That was a lot. I might take a little of this mayo out. I don't know if we'll need it. We'll add some cayenne pepper, 10 shakes, salt, and pepper. Mix it up. Those yolks are kind of firm. Might need to get a fork for this. This is just too tedious. Looks a little thin also, but the fork should help. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Could use more cayenne, I think. I can't get any heat. Could always use pepper, right? Hit of salt. There's a little heat now. Ooh, feeling it. All right, y'all, we're gonna fill these back eggs. I'm gonna get a small spoon. All right, y'all, we're gonna work on this one now. I'm gonna chop these up before this time. It's windy as can be outside. We're gonna add a scoop of mayo, a squirt of mustard, yellow mustard, a splash of, actually, I'm gonna grab a baby dill, drip it in there, use my pickle to drip her in there, boom. I'll set this here for now. Salt, pepper. A lot came out that time. 13 shakes of that. And for a little fun, the egg's already yellow, so we're gonna add just a drop of red. One drop, we'll see what that gets us. Oh boy, that's like some pink egg right there. All right, what I think we do is add another drop of red and maybe a yellow, so it's brighter yellow. Primary colors, y'all. Oh boy, I'll tell you what, that is not the color I'm looking for here. Maybe a little more yellow, I don't know. I think that was too yellow. We're gonna add another red. This is difficult, man. I don't know, let's try another red. Color matching and stuff. I may be wrong, but that ain't what we're looking for. Another yellow. It's like pink. That's orange. We're gonna add like 3 yellow. It's pretty. I mean, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty orange now, doesn't it? Right, y'all. Let's say that's good. Let's fill these 8. Windy, so there's a lot of scratching and creaking out there. All right, I would say that's pretty good. We're gonna hit it with a little salt for my hand because I don't want a ton. Now we're gonna get a little festive. All right, we're gonna cut these in half. Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna cut these in half. My cutting boards are occupied right now, so this is what it is, y'all. is getting good. Ready? Okay. It's pretty funny. Alright, I need 4 of those now. Continue with this little cutting board I found. Alright, y'all, we're gonna start assembling here. Cute. Need tweezers. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh man, that's spooky. Okay. Alright, y'all, this is the final product. Super cute. We got spiders, jack-o'-lantern, and pumpkin. Bon appetit. Thanks for joining me today in my kitchen with Redwood RV Ventures. We created a cute spooky snack, some cute deviled eggs with a couple condiments, a couple black olives, and a tiny bit of pickle. They're super cute, festive. They're great for a treat for kids, a spouse, some friends, or a party. I hope to see you guys soon, and let me know what you think down below. Join us on our journey, on our adventure, as we do what we love with the people we love. I appreciate you guys for watching and spending time with me today. Hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.